The clock began to tick this morning to fill the 3 slots at the judiciary. The positions fell vacant after the early retirement of Dr. Willy Mutunga and the retirements of Justice Kalpana Rawal and Philip Tunoi.
We have 14 days to complete the process. Upon completion of the process, we will notify the public which of the 14 candidates will have been shortlisted, and we will give a schedule for the interviews.
The Judicial Service Commission Vice Chairperson, Professor Margaret Kobia, is heading the process that first interrogates the applications to establish if they conform to the set requirements. The Judicial Service Commission will then call all referees to establish the authenticity of the information provided. This will then be followed by the interviews.
We are dealing with all the 3 positions of the Chief Justice, Deputy, and Supreme Court Judge. We will deal with the interviews back to back so that we submit results for all the 3 positions as the law requires.
The Judicial Service Commission says the process will be expedited to allow the Supreme Court to be properly constituted. The Supreme Court is currently unable to raise quorum to be able to sit.
So within 7 days of the completion of the process, we will do a transmittal to His Excellency the President to submit the names of the 2 nominees for those 2 positions to Parliament for the due process for a parliamentary approval to kick in.
JSC by law will only send a name each for the available positions. The President, on receipt of the name, will forward it to Parliament.
It is only the first 2 positions, that is the Chief Justice and Deputy Chief Justice, that will require the approval of Parliament.
The name approved by Parliament will then go back to the President for appointment. However, if the name before Parliament is rejected, the Judicial Service Commission will send the second name, which is usually for the person who came second in the interview. Stakeholders in the judiciary had hoped that the recruitment of the Chief Justice will be done first to allow him participate in the recruitment of the Deputy Chief Justice and the Judge of the Supreme Court. But all indications from the Judicial Service Commission suggest that all the 3 vacant positions will be filled together. Ken Mijungu, NTV.